So we're gonna do some things right now. I have made the impulsive choice to balayage my hair right now. I've been wanting to do this, and I've ordered this off eSalon like a month ago. And now technically I should wait till I dye my roots again, but I can't wait that long. You're gonna fumble through this with me. Let's all say a prayer to make sure that my hair doesn't fall out or get streaky. That's my main concern. It's a demi color for my hair, so technically it shouldn't stripe on me and it shouldn't have discoloration lines, but with red hair you literally never know. So I'm literally opening this box and seeing it for the first time with you, so let's all hold hands and have fun. So in here you have the kit, which is some gloves, the highlight shampoo, light set product and safety usage, and you have this little bin, which I'm assuming you can use to mix all your stuff in. I do have a bowl, so I could do it in that, but I guess you could, worst case scenario, do it in here. So I'm just gonna pop these back in here, and then the other stuff is the toning mask, which you use after, and then the activator. So logically you're going to be mixing your lightening powder and your activator together. In the directions, when I glanced over it, it says I need to section out my hair, and then once my hair is sectioned out, to then mix the formula, and then it can sort of dry out while you're doing your hair as you're like doing all the different sectioning out, but if you stir it up, it'll become creamy again. You also want to brush your hair before you start doing any of this, because you definitely don't want to have anything clump up. So the reason why their formula dries and becomes like a powder again as it sits is so that when you're done putting it in your hair, it dries to a texture that doesn't transfer to your other pieces of hair. So that's very important, and it's really cool that it does that, because you can very easily just then end up lightening other parts of your hair that you don't want to. I'm gonna read the directions for you. It says brush out clean dry hair and protect clothes with a caper or old towel. I'll do that once my hair is sectioned out. I'm gonna put a different shirt on. And then divide hair into a horseshoe shape 2 inches above temples around the crown and secure into bun. Divide hair into another horseshoe shape right above the temple. Okay, so 2 inches above temples is probably right around like this area, so you want to make sure that you're using like something like a brush end to really make sure you're getting nice and clean lines. Once you have this area up and it's nice and tight and clean all the way around, you want to make sure to get it in a nice and really tight top bun to kind of really get it out of the way. You really don't want your formula transferring anywhere. And now that you have this, you want to go right below your temples. So my temples are here, so I'm kind of gonna go right in here. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to change my shirt and then mix up the formula and start from there. All right, first things first, these gloves are super nice. I have this little thing. Oh my God, I'm so nervous. I'm gonna dump the powder in first, and then I'm gonna dump this lightener. This is the activator 06. I'm gonna tap it until all of the liquid is in here, and I'm gonna mix it up. And it's pretty chunky, but it's like pretty goopy. So they said take an inch length strip. They say to not include any of your babies because they will kind of over process and burn. How much is a fucking inch? And now my hair's staticky. This should not be trusted. Should also be drinking. It also says to take the formula and to start in like the middle. Oh my God, there's no coming back. And kind of put it up at the slant until you get about an inch away from your hairline, which that looks about right. And then you're gonna drag it all the way down, picking up more formula as you need it. And then you can also place this on the back of your hand and like apply the rest of it onto your ends like this, using the back of your hand. And then you can kind of drag the formula through your ends. Got one piece down. And you are supposed to have a towel because you need to clean up all that bleach off of you before you move on to like grabbing another piece of hair on the other side, because you don't want to touch other pieces and like get it all, you know, bleachy. We're gonna do exact same thing, kind of start here and go up on like a slant. Oh shit. Grab some other hair. Oh God. Then now you're gonna remove your first little bun that you made. Kind of gonna do the same thing, but you're gonna go all the way around instead of just doing that first piece. Should be about, I think, 4 pieces on each side. And you know what? Fuck this shirt. That's how I feel about it. Right, so you're gonna do the exact same thing, making sure to not get those babies. And you're gonna alternate pieces. So you're gonna do one side here, and then you're gonna go to the other side, and then you'll move backwards. You're gonna do the same thing. Start in the middle. Work this up all the way down. Place this kind of on your hand. Grab more product as you need it. And then they say the other pieces that like you can't see, you can do it like up above, like in the back of your head kind of. So, ooh. I guess like this back piece seems sticky to me. Shit. I think we're gonna move into the bathroom, so let's go. So now you want to take the top off. And this is kind of the important part. This will be based on like where your natural part falls. So this is kind of how my natural hair is worn. So you're gonna do the exact same thing. You're gonna take small pieces and highlight it. And you're gonna get kind of, think about 3 pieces on each side. So you're gonna repeat this on the last part, and then you're gonna let it sit for however long your instructions tell you to sit. Mine say 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I'm gonna go rinse it out with that shampoo and tone my hair for another 15 minutes in the shower. And then tomorrow, when I'm all done up, I will show you the results. So, hi! This is the day after I balayage my own hair, and ta-da! So this is the final result of what my hair looks like. The balayage ended up being like a caramelly color, which I really like, and that's exactly what I wanted, and that's exactly what meshes with my mahogany red hair. Process seems a little bit hard, but I think with the second and third time that I do it, I'll definitely get like a better hang of it. I wouldn't want the highlights to lift any more than... So what I suggest people go ahead and buy this kit and use it, absolutely, if you're looking for an at-home balayage. It is great. My hair does not feel stringy. It didn't over bleach it, so it doesn't feel like pasta. It feels great. I have no problems with the formula. I think it came out really nice and natural looking. The only thing that I would say is it needs to be a little bit more tailored to your haircut, because I follow the directions to a T, and for me, because I have like a shag haircut, a lot of the color really ended up just at my top layers, and I don't really have anything in my bottom layers. So I think the next time that I do this balayage, I'll definitely kind of go a layer down just to make sure that I get that bottom pieces and that still some balayage kind of comes through like my longer end pieces. I think that's really important to kind of make it all look good together. Besides that, I love it. I think it's a beautiful combination of colors, simple to do. It's definitely way more affordable than going to the salon, and literally anyone can do it. So that is all that I have to say for today's video. I love it. I give it a huge thumbs up. I will list my link down below so you can get your first formula for $10. So go ahead and check the description box for that. Happy dyeing. If you have any questions, leave them down below for me and I will absolutely answer them. I always do. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you love my hair as much as I do, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.